G'day. We're in Photoshop now, and if you look at this image, it's a square image of 1024. We could downsize that to 512, or we could upscale that to 2048 or 4096. Um, the idea is that images that you import, especially for references or just in general, should be square. Um, And we'll get into that a little bit later on, but the main point is that they're square for reference images. Now we've just hit a left click, assign material Lambert, and we're hitting that image we had in Photoshop. Um, the reason why we use a Lambert is because it's the simplest of all shaders. And what you can see there is we've applied it, we've hit the 6 key, so it shows shading on. And at this point you can adjust the transparency if you like. Sometimes I have it at 50%, sometimes I have it completely opaque. This time it's completely opaque, but we're adding, creating a layer from selected, and then we're double hitting that button there to make it a reference in the layer editor. Now it's set up, and we can, we'll change it in our outliner, um, on our best behavior, writing all the correct file names and naming terminology in the outliner, which is always good practice. But there you have it. It's simply finding an image in Photoshop, having it for a reference image, you want to really 512 or 1024. They're the general accepted sizes, and uh, importing that into a plane. Oh, sorry, having that as a material, a Lambert material on a plane, and then selecting that file. It's really that simple, and as soon as you do that, just hit the 6 key and it will display that image. And then after that, just in your layer editor there, create a new layer and have it as a reference so you can't click it while you're adding polys. That simple. Enjoy. You can use it for anything, and it's quite useful.